Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open application which supported. It can be settings, Google Chrome or something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after that, must wait a second and tap on this first icon. We can put finger on it and we scrolling and adding more information to our long screenshot. When we stop it, we stop pushing it, we stop creating our long screenshot, which is saved in our gallery right now. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.